Seconds. Okay. So guys, hello, this is Zitrux and we are here to play this game. Firstly, beyond the ocean, the sound reverberated. The sound ridiculous with the regular interval. I wanted to hear the sound more loud and let it at the edge of this island. Where does this sound come from? Who's making this sound? And why are we doing it? Oh, maybe short answer is so smart. If I answer it at an old tower, perhaps my sound would reach the other side. Okay, this is pretty much good. What? Yung lata, nagkakalat na naman kayo. Utik. Ano to? Sabi.
Madara, Chakra.
At least a zombie with hair on the end. There's some bullet when I blow it. A light soft sound. Wala akong magagawa. When I blow it across the bottom of the mouth, it makes a deep echoing sound like a spirit. Okay. Open. What was that sound? Oh, shit, what the hell is happening? Yo, ano to? Teka, dito na ba si Tengen? The sound has it? The echo. Sound echo. Second day na raw. Ang fluctuating. Yun yung nakuha natin nakaraan. Okay. Wow. Hindi pwede. Wala, men. Wala. Saan ako hahanap? Uy, stick. There are 3 things. Probably. Pero okay. Oh, okay. Combine. Okay. Oh, sumigaw ka na lang. Kung ako sa'yo, isigaw mo na lahat.
Iwan daw ni Shota.
Alam kong malayong maging kami.
Oh.
Pero at least sinubukan kong masin.
Oh.
Ayaw wala din yung...
Pwede mo naman isigaw. Paano ka nakasurvive dito? Dahil pinakain mo. Wait, matik pa kayo na siya. Pinapatunogin mo. The sound echoes. Ocean. Next day na ba ulit? Okay. Oh, ito yung pinakain. Okay, makes sense. Combine point part. Oh, yeah. Okay. The sound icon beyond the sea. Again. Ocean. Perfect cloud. Okay, last day. Wow, ang bilis na ito. Last night was a storm. And wind was west. The world looks like it's survived, but the old house. Okay, meron na sa loob ng bahay. Okay, pasok na tayo sa bahay. So, okay. Records. 2.679 ever since happened and okay now oy di ako makalusot dahil sa teacher frame.
I would win.
What the hell? Gojo, is that you? What the hell? Sound? No sound? Di pwede ako magpatugtog? Okay. Play some music. Next music.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
He needs some milk!
Isa pa.
Pangit-pangit ni Joven, itlog niya parang Jolen.
Okay, that was weird. That's okay, that's enough. No. Paano mo nahawakan yung tubig? Sino ka? Isa ka ba talaga Probably. Ulit-ulit lang. Ba, anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Leche. Gawin mo naman leche. Anong gagawin ko? Okay. Finally. Okay. Now, pagsasabay-sabay na natin. Okay. The sound didn't resonate with it. Bruh. Yes, yes. Okay. Mix. Imi-mix natin ito eh. Mix. Gusto na, bili. Let's go. Kamboli. Kambimon. Pagkaluwag.
Sana siya lang eh.
Dirik. Saan dirik? Oh, come. Uy. Take my frame. Wakas. Yo. Wakas. What? Eric Wesley. Paano may supposed to be? Ano, magko-combine pa tayo. So, yeah. Ano pa rin, leche. Iisip ako. Isip ako isang matatry. Just ito. I'm curious. Pwede. Yes. Okay, isang na tayo. Wow. Okay, what now? Oh! Today was special. The resonating sound I was immersed in harmony of notes different than before. Okay. In melody, feel the sound in the bird. Just putting up. You know my heart and sound. Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, we actually finished the game this time. So, guys, please like and subscribe for more exciting videos, And the truth is, wait, hindi pa tapos. Oh shit, hindi pa tapos. Eventually, the melody comes, change the end. The last note reverberating. Tama ba? I don't know. That was the last time I heard the sound from beyond the ocean. Even so, I want to hear that melody once again. Occasionally, I would look for the sound that I remember. I hope one day, somewhere, I will be able to hear that sound again. Thanks for playing, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.